DALI input. DALI master. Signal output connect to LED dimmer and switch. DALI master connect to the computer with USB. DALI bus interface. Addressing. This is 2-key push-button DALI wall switch. Check them by default. Instance, here you can enable or disable the functions of buttons. Application, set events and function of each buttons. Destination address. Can set as none, all devices, group or single address. Here we set instance 0 to control all devices. Short press to on. Long press to brightness up. Set instance 1 to control all devices. Short press to off. Long press to brightness down. Click to save settings. Done. We can control LED dimmer with switch now. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up.